Hello, how are you? Good afternoon. This is Ignacio with Profitality Labor Guru. Just wanted to share with you some of the capabilities of computer simulation. I'm gonna zoom out into this layout so that you can set up a completely 3D layout with the right dimension. This one is in particular a sandwich shop where guests are coming in, joining an order line. Then they move on through the line. There's 2 employees that are taking care of the guests. That could be changed and adjusted based on the volume simulation. And one of the things that you can understand after you start simulating, it's exactly what happens based on a given deployment, a given volume. Where are guests going to be delayed? What kind of delays are they going to experience? Whether it's on order taking, the initial assembly. Right now we don't have any toasting in this particular layout, but if they did have toasting, what would happen if the toasting station, and then eventually they move down the line and they pay. Again, this doesn't represent any particular layout. It's actually, I think it's longer than what a typical sandwich shop will be, but it's just more for graphical representation of what would happen. But you can track from a guest perspective where they're spending the time, where are they being delayed, and then from a resource perspective, how are the team members being used, what different stations are the ones that are more prevalent, are the ovens overutilized, so on and so forth. So this is kind of an inside view of a sandwich shop. I'm going to change into a slightly different view. This is a drive-through setup. I'm gonna restart that shot, and on the facility, similar to what you saw on the previous one. This is the overall view of the facility on a 3D. The cars are arriving on the queue, they're queuing up to order. Then they move on to the actual pickup window. And again, you can add as much complexity as you want in the model. Right now, you could barely see inside that there's movement inside. Well, it's not just a delay on the window. The team members are gathering all the items that are needed by those cars. They're actually assembling the orders, taking it to the window, and when the order is complete, they hand it off. I mean, you can set up a simple model where it just delays at the order and pickup window. In this case, we've simulated with the actual delays inside. So they have to produce the food, deliver it to the car, and the car would continue on. Well, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any questions, you can follow our websites at profitality.com or laborguru.com. Thank you.